Sure, everyone. This is a quick video announcement of a wonderful Italian wine dinner that we're going to be having on Tuesday, March 5. We have Giorgio Ravetti. He's the owner and winemaker of La Spinetta winery. They're in Piemonte. You know we love the food of Piemonte. We'll talk more about that in a moment. But we're talking about this area of Italy, way to the north and way to the west. And then we have these wonderful wines from La Spinetta. You may recognize the labels. Very famous historic winery in Piemonte. We'll be having their Barbaresco. We just did recently a tasting of them. Their Langhe Nebbiolo is amazing. Their Barbera is great. These are the wines if you've seen them before. And then this is Giorgio Ravetti. Really cool guy. He's like 5th generation within his winery and family. He'll be here personally. He's the winemaker, he's the owner. His dad just recently retired. So Tuesday, March 5, it's gonna be a 4-course Italian dinner. All of the courses are gonna be the food of Piemonte and specifically this area around Barolo and Barbaresco. You want to sign up for this one. It's going to be great fun. We'll see you at Solare on Tuesday, March 5. Send us an email.